So we were here CDMA. Okay, CDMA phones were not causing. Sorry for that. That was an error. So CDMA phones were not using the SIM card. It comes with the built-in technology. Okay. Then we have a mobile communication technology. We have 1G technology. You can read for use for voice call. No IP. Even you can write 1G technology, 2G technology, second generation technology, 3G technology, and the most advanced. Not now advanced, but in India, in 4G are there. So 4G, fourth generation technology we have. Okay. It works on the world of magic, mobile multimedia, anytime, anywhere. Okay, so you can read from there. These are the notes that we have. I provided in the description, which I've told you earlier as well. Then we can from read for there, even as you know, and it doesn't ask in the ask in the examination. Okay, then we have a mobile processor. It receives commands from mobile processor, as you know. Okay, processor is nothing but that it receives commands, make messages, calculator, play audio, video. These are all what these are all of the work of the processor. It means how the mobile is processing some of the commands which you are giving. Okay, that is a mobile processor. Communication processing unit, it consists of communication. It is also for the communication part, as the name itself suggests, communication. Okay, communication processing, RF transmitter, audio subsystem. RF transmitter means that it is possible for connecting SIM card to base station. Audio subsystem is for converting the voice signal into the digital signal. It is for call purposes, and it is for connecting the SIM card to a base station. That is the use of a RF transceiver. Then we have application processing unit. It is also for performing a operation like microcomputer, APU and CPU are there. Then we have a chat protocol. Again, protocols are very important. In protocols, what is important? Definition, sorry, full form is very important. That is IRC, Internet Relay Chat. Okay, Internet Relay Chat, it is used for chatting by sending and receiving text messages. The center send the request to IRC server, which then forward this request to another. Okay, IRC, Internet Relay Chat. XMPP, extensible markup, extensible messaging and presence protocol. That, and you will be wondering that even most of the messengers use this type of protocol, XMPP, extensible messaging and presence protocol. That is the full form of XMPP. Please remember it. Full form is very important. Again, I am insisting on that. Full form is very important for the different type of protocol. XMPP, extensible messaging and presence protocol. It is based on the XML means it is also the sub part of the XML. It is okay. It is again sensitive language. It is used to design web pages. That is the use of the XML. It requires each user must have the registered unique ID. Okay, many famous messaging app use this type of protocol. WiMAX. Okay, WiMAX is it is a it is a superset of Wi-Fi. That is a WiMAX stand for wireless interoperability of for microservices. So in definition, again I'm telling that definition is very important. So definition I wireless interoperability for microservices. That is the full form of WiMAX, used in man application transmission speed. Okay, this is a range 90 km. Network security, so again important. What is important? Tell me the difference of that. WiMAX, wireless interoperability for microservices. That is very important. Again, remember it. Then we have a network security. And network security is like the virus. The network security means it is an activity designed to protect the usability and integrity of a network. That is a definition which you can learn. Okay, it includes both hardware and software technology. Okay, there are different type of threat. Threat is very important. Threat is important. Network security is not very important. You can also learn that there's a network security in its in your own definition. Sorry for that. Network security, threat to the network security. So first of all, viruses are there. As you all know, viruses are the malicious code. Now in this type of this, try to learn the code word that is important. Viruses are the malicious code or program that can cause damage to data and file to the system. Virus attach itself a program or file so that it can be spread from one computer to another, leaving the infection. Okay, so virus attach itself a program. This is the second important keyword which you need to keep in your mind in order to write your definition part. Some virus cause only annoying effects like changing discovery, but it may have a devastating impact as well. Attached to executable file, almost all viruses are attached to an executable file. It means virus cannot infect your computer unless you run or open the program file. That is the main thing. So that is the main part about a virus. It means computer virus cannot spread without a human action. That is important. Without a human action, virus cannot be spread. So what are the important? If I'll ask you that what is the virus, then you can simply say, then you can add the keywords malicious virus are the malicious code and program that cause damage to the data and files on the system. Virus attach itself and it cannot be spread without the help of a human action. That is you need to remember. Okay, but although you can read all of that. Damage caused by viruses, damage deleted, slow down your computer, invade your email program. Prevention for use antivirus software. You can read from there. It is very easy. You can read from there. Okay, disable cookie if possible. Cookie is there. You'll also learn that what is cookie. Okay, worm is there. Worm is what? Now again, keyword is there. A worm is a self-replication program. That is thing you a worm is a self-replication program which eats up entire disk and space on memory. And a worm keeps on creating its copy until all the disk space or memory is filled. That is the main work of worm. So worm is what? A self-replication program. Worm comes to computer network. You can read from there. Okay. Then we have a damage caused by a form of prevention. Damage it consumes a lot of space, which making a computer very much slow. Okay. This can update regularly, avoid sending infected pen drive. That is important. Trojan is a program that appears harmless. Now, again, the keywords part is important. I'm underlining it. That appear harmless, but it is actually harmful. Such as text file, text editor, हो गया, or utility program, हो गया, that appear to be harmless and that appear to be user friendly, but it is actually harmful. It perform malicious functions such as deleting or damaging files. And without the information of us that we will not be aware of that, but still trojan horse will do its work. It appeared to be much more useful to us, but it is actually it perform actually malicious function. That is trojan horse appear harmless, but it is harmful. Malicious function such as relative and damaging utility software without the hacker can recover the system data theft. Okay, prevention are there. You should also update regularly while using public connected. Spams are there. Sending of bulk email by sending spam is there. Spam means it means that bulk of messages through email, bulk of messages sending through email, that is the spam. It will take means sending a bulk email by an identifier or unidentified sources in malicious perform. The attacker keeps sending bulk email until the mail server runs out of disrespect, damages are spent to productivity, as per the analytics, and especially the first thing. Then we have a cookie which we are talking about. Cookie is nothing but it is a web or cookie. It is a small piece of data sent from a website and is stored in a visual server. Let me tell you, for understanding cookie, let me tell you, ask you one thing. Have you ever been visited to many have you ever been visited to many shopping websites? Now you go there and for example you search for particular xyz product. Now again, if you are surfing the internet again on different platform, on not on that shopping website but on that different website, and on that website, if you'll be able to see the ad, that ad directly correspond you what you had searched there at the shopping website. That is a use of cookie stores your information. When you are visiting website, cookie stores your information, and according to that, for example, you can also say that if for example, let's suppose that you are most often with going with the website x, then again it means that you most often go to that serve the website x. And if you are going to if you are going to visiting again and again the same website, then you can see that even after the it will open very fast. It will open very fast. This is the this is the cookie. The thing which is responsible behind this is the cookie. It means that cookie will store some data, and now again the data can be used to manipulate to anything like that. But we can also disable cookies if possible. Disable cookies if possible, because cookies are not as much important like that. Some could disappear after you close the border, while others, some cookies automatically delete on their own, but some cookies still persist on the website, and it can be used to manipulate the data of a user. Cookie help website to store information about it like username, password, and other detail. Security session data. I mean, these are not very important tracking information there. Then we have firewall. Firewall. It may be hardware. Okay, it may be software. Okay, a firewall is a technique which is used to secure the computer network to block another. It may be a software, it may be another, which used to network to block unauthorized access and allow only the authorized user to have a remote login on that computer. It is a network security system, either hardware or software based, that control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on a set of rules. Cisco Netgear Firewall. Protection are there. You can protect from there. Okay. Then we have a HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. That way, previously we have studied one was there, HTTP only there, but HTTPS also exists. It means that it is secure now. It means that for example, if you are surfing the site and you are seeing the sign of padlock and many more different like that, then it must that it will be secure. And HTTPS, it means that it is a secure. When you are saying HTTPS, then it that website is a secure. You can go there and insert your information on that website. Hypertension secure is an internet communication protocol that protects the integrity and confidentiality of a data between the user computer and the site. Then we have Indian IT Act is there, primary law in India. You can read from there. It is not much as much important. Cybercrime is there. It is any criminal offense that is facilitated by all involves use of electronic communication of information system, including any electronic device, computer or the internet. Cyber trolls and bullying are there. Demeaning someone, sarcastic demeaning someone, insulting someone over the internet about something or someone with an action aim of targeting a person online. That is a cyber to cyber stalking means it is a kind of online harassment wherein the victim is subjected to the balance of online. But it means that I am stalking there. It means that at that particular different the same person I am stalking there. It means that I am following him on internet regularly. That is the stalking. Cyber law there IPR issue as well. It is very important. Full form is very important. Even in the sample paper, full form has been asked. What is the full form? IPR? Internet intellectual property right. Sorry, intellectual property right. It means that copyright version. For example, this content belongs solely to me. I have created that content, and if someone is trying to reproduce that content and uploading this on the over the internet, then I can file a complaint against them. Then I can copyright him. That is the intellectual property right. It means that my intellect has been used in creating that content. Then we have a hacking, gaining of unauthorized access to data in a system or computer. That is what we call be hacking. Hacking can be ethical hacking and unethical hacking. In ethical hacking, ethical hacking, it means that to fix it means that it is ethical. It means that process to gain access to system with a view to fix the identified weakness. Many companies used to employ the ethical hacker to see that is there any loopholes in our system or not. Then we have a cracking. Cracking is illegal. Refers to gain unauthorized without the consent of the system, without the consent of the owner, and the intent is to steal the data and violate privacy act. Then we have downloaded World Wide Web, as you know, all innovated by Tim Berners-Lee. It is a collection of website stored in a web server and connected to a device through the internet. Different HTML and XML. This difference is very important. You can read from there. It is structure of data. It is tags are predefined. Tags are not predefined. It is used to design the web page. It is used to structure. It is used to predefine the structure of a web page. How website will be. How web page will be, and it is how web page will look. Tags are predefined. HTML is case insensitive and XML is case sensitive. Audio is email, HTTP are there, which we have covered already. Domain names are there, which we have covered. Okay. URL means uniform resource locator only. That definition is very important. Website is a collection of a web page that and related content that is identified with common domain name and published at least one. Static and dynamic. Static means that display information without any interaction. Means there is not any picture like that. And dynamic website picture as well as text both are there. Web server there. It is a computer that runs the website. A website is nothing but a computer that runs the website. It is used to store, process, and deliver web page to the user. It is important. It is used to store, process, and deliver web page to the user. Then we have here we have finished the web server and client communicate with the help of a HTTP protocol. So here we have finished. So please subscribe my channel if you like this. This was solely for revision purpose. I have pre-assumed that you all know this, and I have only uploaded this video as a revision purpose so that you can be so that you can revise the things that we have done. So subscribe my channel if you liked it, and thank you so much for having your time. Thank you so much.